Hello student, today we are going to solve a problem on development of oblique objects. Oblique objects means axis of object inclined with HP and axis may parallel to VP. Example of oblique objects: oblique cylinder, oblique cone, oblique prism and oblique pyramid, etc. Axis of oblique object are inclined to HP, inclined to base. Our problem on oblique hexagonal prism. Problem number 2. Draw the development of an oblique hexagonal prism. The bases of prism are parallel and regular hexagons of 30 mm sides and 80 mm apart, means height 80 mm. The axis of cylinder is inclined at 50 degree to the HP. Okay. First, we draw a regular hexagon of sides 30 mm. Draw regular hexagon of side 30 mm. This is 30 mm. Then 120 angle. Draw this side, again 120 degree angle. Draw this side. This is horizontal. This is 30, again 120 degree angle. Again 120 degree angle. Then mark the edge 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6. Draw the XY line. This is XY line. This is X. This is Y. Okay. Sides of the hexagon is 30 mm. This is 30. Now, from edge 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we draw the projection line. From 1, we draw vertical projection line up to XY line. from 2 and 6 we draw vertical projection line up to XY line. From 3 and 5 we draw vertical projection line up to XY line. From 4 we draw vertical projection line up to XY line. Okay. Now we joint any two corner, then we get the center point. We draw the center line. We draw the center line. Okay. Now we mark this point, this point, this point, and this point. This point is 1 dash. This point 2 and 6, 2 dash, 6 dash. This point is 3 dash, 5 dash, 3 dash, 5 dash. This point is 4 dash. Okay. Now we draw front view. First we draw axis line from this point with 50 degree with HP or 50 degree with base. Draw a axis line. This is 50 degree. Draw the axis line. Draw the axis line. Then this is the base from 1 to 4. This is base. Now draw a horizontal line 80 millimeter distance. Draw the horizontal line, horizontal to XY line, horizontal to XY line. Draw this horizontal line 80 millimeter apart. Then from one point parallel to this axis line, that means 50 degree angle, we draw this line. We draw from 2 to 6 this line, this line. We draw 3 to 5 this line parallel to axis line, 50 degree line. From 4 dash we draw this line parallel to axis. Okay. Now this is the front view of the oblique hexagonal prism. This is the front view of the oblique hexagonal prism. Distance between two sides 80 millimeter. Two surface, horizontal surface are 80 millimeter apart. Axis are 50 degree angle with the HP. Now we convert this hexagonal prism, this oblique hexagonal prism, to regular hexagonal prism. We convert this into regular hexagonal prism. Now it is oblique hexagonal prism. It is converted to regular hexagonal prism. We extend this line, this 4 dash line, extend this line and draw perpendicular from this point. Extend this line, draw perpendicular from this line. Extend this line, extend, draw perpendicular from this point. Similarly, upper surface, extend this line and draw perpendicular from this point. Draw perpendicular, extend this line up to this line. Okay, again we draw the extra portion, this portion and this portion. This is the oblique prism. It converts to the regular hexagonal prism. Just extend this line and draw perpendicular from this point and extend this line up to this line, extend this line up to this line. Similarly, upper portion, we extend this line and draw perpendicular from this point, extend this line. So this portion we draw extra to convert the hexagonal, regular hexagonal prism. Now this is the front view of regular hexagonal prism. Okay, this is the side of regular hexagonal prism. This is the this length is the side of the regular hexagonal prism. Okay, now assuming this is a regular hexagonal prism, draw the development of this regular hexagonal prism in same manner with regular hexagonal prism. Now from this point and from this point, draw the perpendicular to this line. From this point, draw line, perpendicular line, perpendicular to this line. From this point, draw perpendicular to this line, perpendicular to this line. Now we take a distance. This is the length of the regular hexagonal prism. With pencil compass, we take this measurement with pencil compass. We take this measurement, and from a suitable point we take this point and cut this point, cut this point, cut this point, take 6 division, cut this point, cut this point. We mark this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, again 1. Okay. Now from one point we draw vertical line, vertical to this line. From 2 point draw vertical to this line. From 3 point draw the vertical line. From 4 point draw the vertical line. From 5 point draw the vertical line. In this way, from 6 point draw the vertical line. From 1 point draw the vertical line. Okay. Now from 1 point draw projection line. It is cut 1 number line at this point, and this is also 1 number line at this point. From 2 dash and 6 dash point draw projection line. It is cut 2 number line at this point and 6 number line at this point. Next, this is 3 and 5 point. From this point we draw parallel line parallel to this or perpendicular to this line. It is cut at this point, 3 point and 5 point. From 4 dash point draw parallel line. It is cut 4 number line. Next, join this straight line. This is straight line. Join this line, straight line. Join this line, straight line. Join this straight line. Join this straight line. Similar way, from 1 point, this is 1 dash. From 1 dash draw projection line. It is cut 1 number line, 1 number line. 2 dash, 6 dash. This is 2 dash, 6 dash. Draw projection line. It is cut 2 number line, 2 number line and 6 number line. This is 3 dash, 5 dash. From this point draw projection line. It is cut 3 number 3 line and number 5 line. This is the 4 dash point. Similar way, from this point it is cut 4 number line. Joint the line. This is straight line. Join this. Join this straight line. This is straight line. Join this. Join this. This is straight line, not curve. Next, join this end and join this length. This is the development of the oblique hexagonal prism. We write the text development at middle point. All these line are black line are thin continuous line, and this line, this line, this line, this blue line will be thick line, thick dark line, and also this line will be thick dark line, and text will be 5 millimeter height, and this text will be 2 millimeter height. Okay, it is clear, my student. Thank you.